Mommy just told me off.
You're a good boy. I can see that.
I know, I have no more treats in my hands.
Home, Desmo?
Yeah. You're so silly. You're so silly. Come on, let's go over there. You're too close to me. I can't film.
Desmo.
Come on, buddy. They won't get like tangled with those leashes, right?
Good boy.
I wish we could let her in to play, but
I don't think she'd be as good.
no.
I know, Bean.
So I don't know how long of a film to do.
Hey, easy.
Desmo, you play rough sometimes. Be easy. I think they both want to do the hump of each other.
Yeah. Well,
Because he definitely does all the time.
Maybe he wants to be better. Maybe he'll be better with females.
All right, you guys, come for a treat.
Come on, Cookies.
Desmo, here.
Cookies.
Diesel, sit. Sit.
Diesel, sit.
Sit.
Good boy.
Sit. All right, let's go. Go get him. Go.
Like you're doing the play bow.
Yeah, and I said that I don't know about the tail position, but to me it's